Hi everyone, so today I'm going to try out Spellbinders' new collection, the Floral Friendship collection. I did show you guys this a little bit in the new April launches video, so I'll link that in the description box, but I'm going to go through these things again, so you'll see them here. And yeah, so we're just going to play with this. Having them in front of me, it reminds me of kind of like what they do with their quick and easy card kit. It's just, you're going to pick and choose whatever you like, or the whole collection, whatever it is. They did send these items free of charge for my review, and of course all opinions are my own. Any links I have in the description box will be affiliate links, which means I'll make a small commission if you purchase items to those links. I will say right now, Spellbinders is having a sale. If you have $125 or more in your cart, they'll automatically take off 15%, and of course that's after, if you're a club member, you get 10% off already, right? The pricing that you see on the site is after you've kind of logged in is reflecting the 10% off, but then the 15% will come off at the cart. And so it's just a gorgeous collection. There's, like I said, there are die cuts, there are frames, chipboard frames. I talked all about these in the other video. These are so pretty. The Floral Friendship gemstones. I just love like that kind of raspberry purpley color. It looks a lot deeper in the camera. Hopefully it'll pick up the right way. This one's more of a bright pink, a little fruity pink, a little bluish grayish tone on this one, and then kind of like a crystal AB look on that. Really pretty. Unfortunately, these guys keep showing sold out. Even before I did this video, I checked. I don't know if they're just not on the site yet or if they're completely sold out, but they are gorgeous Floral Friendship butterflies, so I do have those to show you. I may not use them today because I don't want to tease you guys with that and not be able to get them if you want them. We have Floral Friendship chipboard frames. There are 12 frames in here. The colorway is just gorgeous, and people ask me a lot of times, what does colorway mean? Just like the color palette, like the colors that are in the collection, really pretty. So there's, it looks like there's 2 of each, different sizes, squarish, and then like more of a rectangle. I think they had a die, well, I know they had a die that looks like this because I've used it in the past. So it's really cute the way they bring things back in such a way. Super cute. I'll give you a quick measurement on these. Oopsie. Real quick, knock everything over here. This first one's like 2 3/4 by like 2 3/4, and then like the frames, some are a little bit smaller, so this one's like almost just over 3 inches by like 2.5, and then the other one's larger, just to give you an idea. And then we have the die cuts, printed die cuts, and then these are the sentiments. So I love their sentiment packs. Spellbinders does this so well. I believe there's 2 of each of the die cuts. There are 180 die cuts in here, and I'll just pull some out, but you can see all these beautiful flowers in here right on the edge. Some of them are right on the edge, some have a white edge. I know some people prefer one way or the other, so there's a mix of both of those kinds of things. I mean, look how beautiful these birds are with the foiling. Really just gorgeous little bird. I don't know why I want to say it's like a sparrow. I don't really know bird names very well. Lots of florals. Some are larger, like this guy. A lot of gold foiling. Look how pretty this one is. What a gorgeous focal point. I love the little sprig up in the air there. I mean, there's just doves. It looks like a dove holding like a little something in his mouth there. Yeah, I can see some more like that dove-looking bird. Lots of floral sprays. Lots of little guys too. Little like gold accents of stars and flowers. And then I'll just leave these out because definitely we're going to play with these in just a minute. Over here we have all these sentiments, which I'm telling you, I just love. I love having a word already ready to go. Like some of these are like, it looks like it says delight or delightful. Thanks. Oh, thanks enclosed. How cute. So you have the word enclosed. Things like that. Look at this one. I mean, it has the whole thing, and then it has sentiment, so you fill my heart. Maybe you pop this up, and behind it you tuck a few other little things in, and there you go, oh my gosh, look at these. Just and like love, touch beyond words, many thanks. I mean, there's some hiding in here. Hello, lovely. These are so pretty. Happy, thanks very much in the font that, one of the fonts that Spellbinders uses. Wishes, sending, so obviously lots of mix and match. Hello, amazing. Look at this. For everything you do, that is so cute. Put that on a tag and just put on a gift, Sending health and happiness. Just lots of styles and, thank you, thank you, thank you for you. Look at this one. How cute. Oh my gosh, I am not even halfway through here, so thank you. All these just like spectacular, the little wordings you can tuck here and there. Little banners, enjoy today, sweet memories. I mean, this is just packed. And then, I mean, there's still more and more back here. Happy birthday, get well soon. Little tags, larger bits that are like this one where it's, oh, look at this guy. It's interesting. So you can leave it like that, or you can pop them out so the just because pops out and then this part pops out from that frame. Very cute. So lots of goodies there. We're gonna definitely leave these out also. And then the papers. So I showed the paper pack real quick, oopsie, yesterday or whenever it was that I had released the other video. But I showed it really quickly. So there are 40 sheets, 10 designs, so there's 4 of each design, which I thought was really great because that way you can make a lot of cards that are the same. If you want to do that, you have more papers in here to do that. So gold foiling on that one. Look at the color on this, so pretty. I love, you know, when you're making a background, you do stuff like this, right? You do the like word stamps or like phrases or whatever it is, some little fun shapes, maybe some splotching and all that kind of stuff, so it's already done for you there. This one does have some lettering in the background, I don't know if you can see it there. And then the gold foil. This is just gorgeous. I love the look of this. Just the way the flowers are on there, really nice and crisp and beautiful. And then this one's a little more muted, rich colors, but more muted, right? With the gold foiling and those beautiful flowers. Look at that. Just gorgeous with a purple model kind of background. And this, oh my gosh, just so pretty, that Moroccan feel. And there are tiles that look like this in these kits here. Look at it, like this one. You light up my day, and look at that. You can just pop it in there, or echo that shape at least. Again, just gorgeous with that kind of more of a plummy purple background. Those beautiful flowers. Look at the little birds. How cute are those with the gold sprigs all over? Just beautiful. Love that very deep color with the black kind of stamping, and then the beautiful flowers there, all peachy and red, and then it repeats. Okay, so what I'm gonna do is grab some card bases and we will get started. So first I'm gonna try like a large card, and I think I'm gonna take this one completely just the way it is. I'm probably gonna trim it down a little bit because I like a little bit of paper, you know, kind of cut down on my card bases. I think these are 6-inch cards. Yes, so I have some 6-inch square blanks here. So what I'm first gonna do is just trim a little bit, like basically a 1/16 off each side, and I'll be right back. And the reason I say a 1/16 off each side is just as you go around, you end up 1/8 of an inch smaller, so it's a 5 7/8 inch square, and this is what I had cut off. Very little. Beautiful paper, oh my gosh. So let me glue that down. And then I'm just gonna grab my, you know, ephemera pieces and sentiments and all that, and just play around with that and put a card together. So again, this one's a little bit larger at 6 inches. And you can definitely orient this paper however you like. Even right now, if I change my mind, you know, I can have it this way, which is what I intended, but I mean, if you want it this way too, you can definitely do that. So I'm just gonna take a moment to kind of play around, maybe grab something that's a larger piece, because this is a larger card. So, you know, as I play in here, I'll grab something that works with the colorway and is a little bit bigger. So that's what I'm going to be looking for. And you're just playing around, and I will be right back. I mean, there's so much. Oh, look at the butterflies. So pretty. Oh, okay. So it's more like something like this one, right? Something like that. And I'll see what I have as far as sentiments, and maybe, you know, maybe we do a frame. I don't know. Just play around, and I'll see what I come up with. So maybe something like this. I just kind of flesh this out down here and then put these other pieces. So what I'm going to do right quick, I'll go ahead and move that. I'm going to put a little glue under here just to hold these guys down. I'm going to put it on the leaf or around there. Just kind of an idea of where that was. Put that guy down here again. You know, I don't like covering things up too much, but we are going to do a little something more artsy there. And then this guy will be like here. Okay. So let's remove this. And then maybe some of the dimensional bits. these guys. Where are they? Where are they? They're underneath all these things now here. Are gemstones. So you can see the frames do stick down on their own. They have the adhesive on the back and something like that. And I'm going to put a little adhesive behind there, just kind of judging how high this is. Not too high, so I have some dimensional adhesive that's not too high. Just going to put some up here. So I'm just going to put some dimensional adhesive right quick. I'll be right back. Okay, so I put some dimensional strategically up in here, and then I'll put some glue here. I'm not sure exactly what will touch this frame area. But again, I'll pop this back down on here. Like that. So we have the dimensionals, and then also glue touching that. And then on the sentiment, I also put a little bit of dimensional here. And thinking of you over here. See how straight that is. There we go. Actually, that'll be that. And then I need another little dimensional underneath. On this side. Oh, stuck to my finger instead of paper because I put glue on there. Okay, there we go. That is so pretty. I love the fresh pops of color and everything. And then again, we can just come in and add some of our gemstones. There's tons of little, again, little stars and like little flowers that are just gold. There's like a little asterisk looking thing. Pop it in here and there. And with these guys, we want pops of color, don't we? So let me grab. So pretty. Oh my gosh. Something like that. And then maybe this guy here. And another little guy here. Yeah, just so it highlights that thinking of you, but I mean, you can put them everywhere. Really quick card, so pretty. All right, so let me get a standard A2 size card base. I'm going to cut down some paper for it, and then we'll go from there. Okay, so on this one, I just cut down this beautiful purple paper, 5 3/8 by 4 1/8, and we're just going to get this down. My glue will cooperate, that'd be great. There we go. Don't want to put too much. This is layering weight paper, of course. So put a little too much wet glue, it could warp it, but I haven't had that happen. I'm just mentioning because depending on the glue you're using, you don't want to overload that. And then, you know, at the beginning we were looking at the sentiments that I showed you guys. This one that's basically just ready to go. So what I'm going to do with that one is put some dimensional adhesive on the back, but kind of towards the center, like in here, strategically placed, and then not really push it down quite yet. And actually, if you want to just leave the carriers on it, you can do that until you know what else you're going to put in there with it. But for right now, let's leave it like that. If I need to tuck in some more stuff, I will. And I'm going to pop this maybe like right there. Right? Let's make it so it's not crooked. That'd be great. And a little more this way. That looks pretty good. Okay. Right? Yeah, it looks pretty center. Okay. It's there. I'm not really pushing it down quite yet. And so then I'll just go in and, I mean, we have other words. I mean, if you want to put in, you know, well, this isn't closed, but, you know, like let's say it was a word that made sense. You can definitely use other words and pop them in there. Definitely I'll just go for some of these guys over here and just play around. So, you know, that guy's a little bit big. Oh, this is pretty. You know, maybe a pretty little butterfly. We have another one here that's more in the blue colors. I mean, flowers, sprigs. So I'm just play around and kind of tuck things behind until I think I'm happy with it. And we'll go from there. And then, oh, we do have some smaller ones. And a purple one might look better. So, yeah. So I'll just play around and see where we end up. I'll be right back. Went with one butterfly, and I'm going to pop them up just a little bit. So down here we just have a sprig, and this kind of echoes what's going on there, so that's nice. And, you know, I just kind of push things underneath until I decide, oh, that's what I want. So there we go. And then this little guy, I'll go ahead and move him. And with this one, I just want to put it down in a way that I have this little extra set of leaves back here. Looks like they came together, you know. And I did stick with everything that had like a white border for this one. It's a little more cohesive. Something like that. And a little more further in. Further in, further in. And this little guy will just kind of pop up his wings and just put glue at the base here. So it's just like a little collage back there. And that is as simple as that card's going to be. And I can push in a little more dimensional if you would like, just because when you do ship something, if it squishes, it's only going to squish here, and then this is going to lay down like this. So I'll put another dimensional there, another dimensional here, and just keep that more sturdy. And so just a couple cards made with this beautiful collection. Of course, get your die, your dies, do some more shapes and things like that. It's really great. All right, guys, well, thanks for watching. I will have links in the description box. I might put a little extra glue under this just because, that'll help us keep it down. So images are coming up, links in the description box, and I'll see you all at the next one. Bye now.